Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not found problem on your laptop. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar on your taskbar, type Settings, and press Enter. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and click on Camera. Make sure camera access is turned on. Also enable Let Apps Access Your Camera. Now scroll down and find the app you're trying to use, then make sure camera access is enabled for that app as well. After that, go back to your desktop. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Cameras section. Right-click on your camera driver. If the camera is disabled, click Enable Device. Next, right-click on the camera driver again and select Update Driver. Then click Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an updated driver, install it by following the on-screen instructions. Once the update is complete, close all the windows and restart your laptop. After restarting, open the camera app or the application you were using and check if the camera is working properly. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.